Hello guys, today I have brought 10 of the best cool gadgets on Amazon. Dual Arc Waterproof Lighter. It's USB rechargeable for convenience. With a waterproof rating of IP56, this sleek lighter features a metal ring-sealed cover and a secure locking clasp, ensuring it's ready for any adventure. This outdoor essential boasts a dual arc design and electric flameless technology. Say goodbye to wind-related woes and hello to a cool, reliable plasma flame, the perfect companion for your outdoor escapades. You can buy this gadget for $9.89. Magnetic Flashlight Pickup Tool. This handy gadget features 3 super bright LEDs powered by cutting-edge technology. Its new upgraded adjustable area light design unfolds to provide a 360 degrees view, making it a pro at picking up metal parts from tricky corners. Thanks to its robust magnetic base, you can easily attach it to metal surfaces, while the suction bottom keeps your hands free with its illuminating power. This cool gadget is now available on Amazon for $16.99. Multifunctional LED Flashlight Gloves. Revolutionize your work in the dark with this brilliant innovation. When there's no one around to hold a light for you, these gloves become your trusty third hand, perfect for outdoor activities like camping, fishing, cycling, and climbing. They're designed with elastic fabric and lengthened Velcro straps for a snug fit, ensuring you won't have to worry about them coming loose during work. Plus, they come with replaceable CR 2016 batteries, delivering brighter and longer-lasting illumination. Don't miss out on this game-changing tool for your nighttime tasks. Available from Amazon for $14.99. Stress Relief Roller, crafted from soft touch plastic. This handheld fidget toy is designed for adults seeking solace from stress, anxiety, and tension. It's a catalyst for enhancing focus and clarity. Compact and portable, it's your trusted companion wherever you go. What sets the Stress Relief Roller apart is its silent operation. Unlike spinners, it provides stress relief without disturbing your concentration. This super gadget that will help relieve your stress is now available on Amazon for $24.99. 12-in-1 Multifunctional Tool Pen, a must-have for everyday carry. It combines essential tools like a glass breaker, flashlight, ballpoint, stylus pen, bottle opener, compass, whistle, and multi-tool head in a sleek, pocket-friendly design. This tactical multi-tool includes 4 ink refills, 2 batteries, and is crafted from ultra-strong aircraft aluminum, offering both durability and lightweight convenience. Its anti-oxidation, corrosion-resistant design ensures reliability in critical situations. Stay prepared with a tool that's safe and reliable, eliminating the drawbacks of heavy and oversized tactical pens. It is available for $16.99. Survival First Aid Kit. This comprehensive set is a camping and outdoor enthusiast's dream, complete with trauma medical supplies in a small pouch. It includes must-have items such as bandages, iodine pads, sting relief prep pads, alcohol pads, emergency blankets, cotton sticks, medical tape, tourniquets, scissors, gloves, tweezers, a whistle, CPR mask, and safety pins. Be well prepared for any adventure or emergency situation with this all-in-one kit, the ideal companion for men during camping, hiking, and other outdoor activities. Get this for $54.88 from the link in the description. Solar Charger. 20,000 mAh powerhouse for outdoor adventures. This portable and waterproof solar power bank is your go-to camping companion, offering dual 5V USB ports for quick charging. It even comes with 2 built-in LED lights and a compass for added convenience. With 2 charging options, you can recharge it through solar energy or an outlet. Crafted from eco-friendly silicone rubber and durable ABS-PC material, this power bank is as reliable as it is eco-conscious. Stay powered up wherever you go with this versatile and eco-friendly external battery charger. This little powerhouse can be purchased now on Amazon for $22.99. Anti-skid jar opener. This rubber jar lid remover is a kitchen essential, perfect for those with small hands or seniors. Its 8 circular openings offer a secure grip on a wide range of containers, surpassing metal tools. Thanks to the rubber sidings, it clings firmly to slippery surfaces, and its lever action provides the strength needed to open any lid. Make your kitchen tasks a breeze with this handy jar gripper, an indispensable gadget for every home. You can buy this gadget from Amazon right now for $8.99. Cleaning Gel Kit. the ultimate detailing solution for your automotive cleaning needs. This universal cleaning gel is specially designed to tackle dust and grime in those hard-to-reach car spaces like air vents, steering wheels, console panels, cup holders, and more. It's not just for cars. This cleaning putty is perfect for cleaning keyboards, PCs, laptops, and cameras too. Make your interior detailing a breeze with this versatile and effective cleaning gel, ensuring a spotless, dust-free environment in your vehicle or on your electronic devices. You can buy this product on Amazon for $6.99. Wrapping Paper Cutter. This Christmas gift wrap cutter is a game-changer, designed to make wrapping presents a breeze. It effortlessly slides through craft paper rolls, ensuring easy, fast, and safe cutting. No more struggling with uneven edges or wasting paper. It's the perfect tool for creative holiday paper cutting, making your gift wrapping process efficient and enjoyable. Get your hands on this innovative paper roll cutting machine and elevate your gift presentation this holiday season. You can buy this gadget from Amazon for $13.55. Thank you for watching our video. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video with some great Amazon gadgets.